In today's video, you will learn how to make a rosemary and mint tea to alleviate pain and boost your memory. The mixture of these two teas will benefit your body in many ways, including poor digestion, inflammation, and even dandruff. Do you know the benefits of these teas? You certainly learned about the benefits of rosemary for our health, and if you already know about its benefits, you know that it is good for the brain. Rosemary has been part of natural medicine for many years. This aromatic herb can strengthen the brain and improve cognition, and also helps prevent oxidative stress, which improves memory. Mint is another aromatic medicinal plant that we can use to improve brain health. Both its leaves and essential oil contain menthol, a compound that improves mental performance and lessens mental fatigue. Mint also reduces the spasms of stomach aches, lessens nausea and vomiting, stimulates bile production by the liver, fights constipation, stimulates blood circulation, has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial actions, and has antioxidant effects that protect the cells against the aging process. Isn't it incredible? Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Write down the ingredients: 2 tablespoons fresh rosemary, 2 tablespoons fresh mint leaves, 8.45 ounces water. If you choose to use dried herbs instead of fresh, use only a tablespoon of each. Boil the water in a pot and turn off the heat as soon as it starts boiling. Add the herbs, close with a lid, and let it sit for 10 minutes. Drink right after making it. You can sweeten with some honey if you want. Drink 2 to 3 cups of this tea a day, but no more than that. You can use this same infusion on your scalp to prevent dandruff. In this case, don't add the honey, and wait until it is lukewarm or cold before applying it to your head. Contraindications. This tea must be avoided by pregnant or nursing women, children under 12 years old, people with prostate issues, and people with diarrhea. Its excessive consumption may cause gastrointestinal irritation and nephritis. Try it and share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.